The Partnership for Petersburg touched down at Petersburg High School on April the 23rd to highlight the many aspects of emergency response that students can learn, understand, and use to ensure healthy and vibrant communities. More than 330 ninth graders participated in this collaborative effort between Governor Youngkin's administration, the Petersburg Mayor's Office, the Petersburg City Public Schools, HCA, the Virginia Department of Health, the Virginia Foundation for Healthy Youth, and Petersburg's finest first responders.
We are here at Petersburg High School at a wonderful event today, teaching CPR training today to my kids here at Petersburg High School. They're having a great time. We are setting the bar here in Petersburg, teaching life-saving skills right here to all our students at Petersburg High School.
From NBA legend Moses Malone to Hollywood celebrity and actor Blair Underwood, the hallways of Petersburg High School are filled with proud traditions, hard work, and creativity. Today, emergency response, healthcare, and public safety are at students' fingertips, showcasing careers, skills, and aspirations. Governor Youngkin's Partnership for Petersburg is a unique collaboration of state and local government, the private sector, and nonprofits coming together to impact the local community. Thanks to such collective efforts, these ninth graders learned how to perform life-saving CPR, how to administer life-saving overdose reversal medication, and the impact of health communications such as the It Only Takes One campaign.
HCA CJW Medical Center was so excited to be here today to teach these students CPR. As we all know, the majority of patients who suffer cardiac arrest tend to suffer it at home or out in the community, and by having these bystanders there to assist with this life-saving skill will hopefully save more lives.
And what really stood out to me was the CPR because it's a really good life lesson that we can learn, and it's very useful.
Students learned about the harmful effects of tobacco and vaping, as well as numerous tips to ensure overall health and safety. They also had hands-on time with Petersburg Fire and Rescue, police departments, and of course, flight paramedics and nurses from our colleagues at HCA.
Today was an outstanding health career event here at Petersburg High School. Our students got to move around and go to the healthcare vendors. They also got to see and practice with our CPR, and I think it was a great opportunity for them to think about any careers, but yet have lifelong saving skills that they may have to use in life.
Thank you for providing time, providing hands-on activities that's going to change the lives of our kids. CPR is an essential skill that many in our society don't have, but should have. And so for me to know that our students here at Petersburg High School got this today is exciting. And it starts their exposure to healthcare, to be able to save the life of someone in their family, their friends, and in the community.
We all benefit when collaborative efforts come together to ensure Virginia remains the best place to live, work, and raise a family. Much appreciation to everyone involved. This type of experiential learning helps to ensure the city of Petersburg and its students continue reaching new heights.